drive time. 1991 Chevy 1500 pickup. This one here, 350. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Real nice truck. Stepside fender flares, set of Riddlers, disc brakes in the front, drum in the rear. Dual exhaust sticking out the back. She's super clean. We're going to be taking it down the road, pointing out flaws so you know what you're getting before you get here. Check us out, maplemotors.com. Finance and shipping, detailed pictures on all of our cars, and every Monday update at 12 o'clock. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. We're taking off. But first, place bets. You think the horn works? This one's only got 119,000 miles on it. That's not bad. Good oil pressure. Engine temperature's coming up. Looks like we got a check engine light, we got gas, and we're charging. I don't know what the check engine light is. Wipers work. And the radio ain't doing jack. It says it's up. Should be playing some tunes. No. AC. Compressor kicked on. Let me give it a second. Tach. Sweet. Slow on the power locks, but passenger side's working good. Horn? AC's cold. What do you think about the horn? I bet it works. What do you think? Yeah, it's sensitive too. Let's hit the road. Here we go, guys. Test drive time. Anything I see, you'll know about it. Go ahead and put my seatbelt on here. Back it on up. Cold AC, we're gonna cut it off. Again, on these test drives, anything I see, you'll know about it. Let's take off. Good shift, man. It feels like a shift kit in this one. Speedo's working. What happens when I floor it? You ready? Pulling good. Hit the brakes. Smooth. Back in the throttle. Pretty straight. Tight steering. Smooth, guys. Engine temperature is still in great operating range. Looks like 150. What we're gonna do is get some outside shots, undercarriage shots, and then I'm going to be picking out the flaws here at the end. Go ahead and turn in the parking lot here. And of course, I'll be back. Here's reverse for us. right, here we go. Heading on back to the lot. Now, at first, well, towards the end of the video, you're about to find out, I was looking at the odometer and checking everything, and I seen the tripometers all zeros. So I was worried about the odometer, but as soon as I started rolling, I see it is rolling, so that is correct mileage. But our tripometer is not working anymore. The odometer does. And if you don't know the difference, it's the one that you push in and it goes to zeros on the right there. But anyways, I'm here to point out that kind of stuff. I'll pay attention, make sure that stuff's working. Oh yeah. She's pretty smooth going down the road. Engine temperature, I don't believe it. I don't think the gauge is working right. It's literally been 140 pretty much the whole entire test drive. Not that the truck's overheating, but I don't think the gauge is working. I think the gauge is incorrect. Brake light cut back on there too. Make sure it's not this pedal falling. I picked up on the pedal earlier and the brake light cut off, but now it's back on. It's here at the bottom, and the brakes feel perfect. Bump in the road, smooth. Like the same truck. That's one thing, these trucks are still on the road, guys, and I noticed a lot of people waving that have them. Getting ready to take off here. How about the old Lexus with the beefed up tires right there? That looks a little different. Kind of like it. I'm not big on a Lexus, but it looked good. Not that there's anything wrong with them. I've just actually never owned one myself. Pulling back into the lot, picking out the flaws, coming up next. This ride, looking for chips, scratches, rust, and dents. Up in the front, beautiful grill on this one, nice and clean, looks like newer lights. This bottom light here though, got a little bit of moisture in it. Same with this one, both of these bottom ones. Top ones look like brand new. The side markers have been replaced too. Looking at the lower bumper, super clean. Chips right here. Up and over the fender. Little spot there. Chips there. Light crack. Little chips. Trim's kind of coming off. That could be fixed. Spot. Scrape. Spot in the corner there too. Chip here. Touch-up marks in the middle of the door. Chips. I've noticed with these early 90 model Chevrolets, if you see somebody else on the road that has one, they always wave. It's like the Jeep wave now. Just this model now. They used to not do that, but now these are getting rare on the road. Especially in this shape. I mean, look at this thing. It's got a few chips and scratches, but it's a truck. There's a ding right here. My first vehicle was a I think it was 91 Chevrolet truck. It wasn't the Stepside. It was blue with white stripes on the hood. I loved it. I was doing normal teenage stuff, starting it up, revving in the parking lot at school. You know, there's always some chicks walking by or something when I was doing that. I was being stupid. But hey, I was 16, young and free, right? You got some scratches in the bed. I remember once, oh, they riveted this. I was trying to lift it up. Same up here. Well, they got a mat in there. I remember once I did that and a girl goes, "Do you race that truck?" It's like, no. That's hilarious. Little spot there. You can see this little piece is cracked too. Chips in the corner. Little spot there. That one's kind of angled a little bit. This one seems straight on. You think we should open it up? Yeah. I was about to say I'm glad I tried because it wasn't opening. Anyways, it did. Just got to pull on it. She's solid. Wow, that one shuts really nice. Little cracks. Trim's coming off the same spot. What? That wasn't on there when I left. I guess I did park by some trees. Little chip. Scrape. Spot here. Got some spots up top there. Scratch in the door. Scratch coming down the side. Chip in the corner. Chips up here. Scuffs. Marked there. Haziness behind the bed there. Old tint, you can see it's kind of purpleized. All that new tint they come out with is not supposed to do that. We already looked over the fender. Front window. Chips. Guys, made it around the outside here. I think the only spot I didn't show is behind this tag. And I usually don't even bring a tag. The only reason I did this time is because they've been driving it up there at the lot at lunch. They like this truck. Any chance they get, we like these old trucks. Nice and clean, buzzer even works. We'll go ahead and start it up, just let it run. Just so we don't have to hear the buzzer. little bit of wear in the middle of the seat. We got a little bit over here in the passenger seat too. But again, not bad. Rear view mirror, I found it. It's funny they put the cup holders there. You have to be sitting dead still to use those. Now we did have a brake light on and I pulled up on the brake pedal and it cut off. Something else I just noticed. This side of the odometer is still zeros. I'm gonna look on the way back and make sure the odometer is turning over. I'll tell you about it on the way back mid-video. This is gonna be at the end of the video anyway, so if you was listening in the middle of the video, you know what I'm talking about. Make sure that the mileage is turning over is what I'm saying. I wanna let you know on that. Well, you really gotta shut the hood, that's for sure. Let's do it again. There we go. Got her down. Hazy spot there and there. Oh, I know what it's from now. The old bug guard. Somebody put a new bug guard on this one. The old one, that was where it sat. It's too even. There's another one over here. It. Thank you for watching. Be sure to hit subscribe and share this video. Detailed pictures, financing and shipping at maplemotors.com. And of course, I'm heading out. I'll see you later.